So right now we are on the field to measure the density of the soil on field. So sand replacement test is performed on hard soil. So right now we are on the college ground where Murm soil is there. So we require this cylinder which contains sand, and second one is this is the pan which is having a central hole of 10 centimeter diameter. When we are placing this particular pan, it should be placed on the plain ground. Okay. So now we have to dig a test pit using the tools up to a 10 to 15 centimeter depth, and we are digging out the soil and we are going to collect that particular soil. So now we are going to dig that particular test pit. So when you are digging out the test pit, you have to collect the soil sample at the side of the pan. So as it is collected at the side of the pan, and now and then we are going to take that particular soil for taking a mass of soil in the laboratory. So this is how we have to dig a test pit, and we have to collect all the soil sample into the pan only. Okay, we should not get lose that particular soil sample. Okay. So, So once we dig out the test pit, we have to take that particular soil sample. We should not lose that collected soil sample anywhere. Okay. So lift that. Lift that. Okay. So we have to collect that soil sample. Again, we have to place the same pan into the that particular test pit. Okay. So pan ठेवा परत. We have to keep the pan as it is on that particular hole, and again we have to keep that cylinder at the center of that particular test pit. You can see. Once we keep that particular cylinder on the center of the hole, we have to open the shutter, and we are allowing the sand to fall down into the test pit. It should be like this. So now sand is getting fall down into the test pit. You can see the movement of the sand into the cylinder, which moves in the downward direction. And once the movement of the sand gets stopped, we have to close down that particular shutter. Shutter closed. And we have to remove that particular cylinder. So now you can see there is a sand into the test pit, as well as there is a cone of sand inside that particular pan. So now we are taking that particular excavated soil from the test pit into the laboratory for further measurement.